My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just under 40,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have our double bed, making this camper 2-berth, 5 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have eject, navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.